Hi guys, welcome back to Kodemine. Carry here, and in this video we are going to learn that how we can set up our C++ environment or installation in our operating system, right? So if you guys are using a Linux, then it's very easy, and most of all, if you guys are using Ubuntu, then you have already installation in your system, right? And if you do not find in case the C++ environment into your system, then you guys can run these three commands: sudo apt get update, sudo apt get install gcc, and sudo apt get install g++. So these are the three commands you guys can run into the Linux, right? And these commands will also you will get into the description of this video, right? So you guys can just copy paste it, and you guys can directly install the C++ into your Linux system. And the guys who use Windows, then you guys will freely available compiler on internet. You guys can directly download the Turbo C++ and Borland C++, right? So for a beginner level, these are two compilers is very good for you guys, right? So you guys can install that as well, right? So how can we check the version? If we want to check that if the C++ is environment is set up on our operating system or not, then we just need to go into the terminal and we need to write down this thing. We just need to write down G++ and -- version, right? So this is how you guys can run, or you guys can directly run this way, right? So you guys can see now this is GCC version 5.4 is already installed. So in Ubuntu, this is by default installed, right? Because this operating system Linux is written into the C++ programming, so by default we have a GCC or GCC plus installed. So you guys can check this way also. So GCC is basically we use for C programming language, and G++ is we use for C++, right? So in Linux we just need to run this command, these three commands that you will get into the description, and the download link of this Turbo C++ and Borland C++ compiler you will also get into the description, and you guys can directly get it from the description, right? So just download it and follow the term and conditions and do some next, and automatically it will install into your system, right? So if still you guys facing any challenge into the environment setup, you guys can comment into the comment box, or you guys can write us on our email, right? So that is mentioned into the description and channel description. So in the later videos we will going to use Linux system. So if you guys want any specific program into Windows, that we can do that as well, right? So that is not a problem. So the guys who still not subscribed our channel, my request to you guys that we have a very hardworking team, guys. So please do hit the red subscribe button below this video, and also hit the bell icon and on all notifications, so that the notification of upcoming videos you will get onto your system, right? So share our channel with your friends and family so that they can also gain their knowledge. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Have a very good day.